Kasama Sir Jenny, he died of cancer of the lungs. Nakapagtataka, hindi naman siya naninigarilyo, hindi naman siya umiinom ng alak. But he died of cancer at the age of a little more than 30 years old. He was a full-time pastor at the same time a full-time teacher. Kaya kapag may night occasion sa school, pero may kasabay na church activity nila, ang sasabihin niya, Manong Dinky, hindi ako attend ng event mamaya kasi may young people's night kami. Yung mga ganoon. So, ang sabi sa kanya ng dating principal ay August, no, at kasi yung okasyon ng diskulaan, at nagpakitang gilas ka muna, may kanagtaa. And then, yung istorya niya ni Pastor August that time, then kung na niya, Brother Dinky, ay Manong, at nangay ka na